Hello all, myself Shruti. Welcome back to my channel. Today is World Water Day. So on behalf of this, I am preparing the video. From the morning I was thinking to prepare video and not. Because since it is a very simple topic, everybody will be knowing it. But at the end of the day, still I think that it will be helpful if I share the views what I have. So on occasion of World Water Day 2021, so the theme is valuing water. Though we know the importance of water, we should value it and we should conserve the water. So it's a very priceless. World Water Day is celebrated since 1993 on March 22nd. Since it was even though it is celebrated from 18 years, this year all the days are gaining more importance because this COVID pandemic has taught the importance of everything to us. So this video is to tell about the importance of water, and so is the theme of today's Water Day topic. So it is about uh, telling about the importance of water and also creating awareness among everybody about the crisis we are going to follow in coming years. So this World Water Day is celebrated globally, and when it comes to India, here also we have celebrated, and our Prime Minister has given appreciation to few projects, such as we have to catch the rain, that is harvest the rainwater as much as possible and use it for domestic purposes, and also for the river linking projects, wherein the rivers will be linked that means from the places which have surplus water to the places where there is very less water or scarcity of water. So rivers will be linked from one place to another place. So when I talk about the water benefits, one thing we have to understand is we have to value the water, and we should be knowing how to protect the water for our future generation. And we all know that though earth has lots of water, but fresh water is very less. So always we should know the importance of fresh water and also its sustainable management. So here I am going to tell you very few simple tips which everybody knows, but still I just want to trigger you again or remind you again about those tips so that you can follow it in your day to day life. We all know that water is very important element of our life, and management, in most of the times we are failing to manage the water. So managing the water is the big task everybody should follow. So otherwise we are going to definitely face the shortage of water in coming years. So there are two things. One is simple tips we can follow to save water, and another one is how we can conserve the water in a large scale. So when it comes to simple tips, tap leaks and all, we will just ignore most of the times, thinking that a drop of water, what will it do? But a single drop which falls every second from the tap will lead to lose 5 gallons of water per day. So always fix the tap leaks, and also make your mind that you always take short showers, that is less than 5 minutes. Don't take long showers and waste too much of water. And also off the tap when you're brushing the teeth, when you're shaving. Most of the times we see that people will be brushing and water tap will be on and water will be flowing just like that. Please avoid all these things. And also use washing machine and dishwashers only when the load is full. Don't on the washing machines or dishwashers whenever half or less than half vessels or cloths are there in your washing machine. And you also have to remember that always for plants we have to uh, use the reused water instead of throwing the water from water purifiers, and the water which is used for washing rice, vegetables, all these things. To clean the sidewalks and balconies and all, always we have to broom and mop instead of washing it with water. And while washing the car, instead of using the pipe, we have to use bucket and sponge so that lots of water will be saved during this. And above all, we have to teach our children, we have to educate our children at the young age, that how precious the water is, and how they can use it in a very efficient way. uh, we have to tell them not to throw drinking water. It is always seen that if they take one glass of water, one or two gulps of water will be drunk and rest will be thrown. So drinking water we should never throw. So these are all the tips to save water. When it comes to conservation, we can plan various projects in the large scale also, or at a home level we can just plan for rainwater harvesting. At least the water which gets wasted, rainwater can be stored and can be used for various domestic purposes. And also water recycling we have to learn. The recycled water can be used for plants, used for cleaning and all those things. So we should always use water carefully, and we always have to remember that it is going to end very short. We have to program our brain such that when we are wasting a single drop of water, our brain should alarm us and it should remind us the importance of water and what a big havoc we are going to create. So save water, save life, save nature. Our future is in our hands. So think wisely, use wisely. Always know the importance of water, spread the importance of water. That itself will create value for water. Thank you.